Hello guys, welcome back to our video of Twin Magic. In this video we're going to show you the easiest, the greatest and the best car magic trick. It's a self-working car magic trick that literally you can fool anyone. Here's the performance. As I said, this is a self-working car magic trick. So for the last time, we tell the spectator to say stop anywhere that they like. We assume this is stop right here. This would be their card. It's 5 of hearts. We don't need this their card right now. We can shuffle this deck too. Now we tell them we want 2 piles and each pile should have 15 cards. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We don't need this pile, these cards, this pile. Now we should do that. Now we need half of them, each pile. We need half of each pile. Let me count it. It should be 7 and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is half. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can if you don't want to count it, you can do that too, but I just count it, so it's not important. Now we tell them that first of all, sorry for my mistakes in my speakings. I'm so sorry about that. Right now we tell them that we need your card. Which pile do you want your card to be on it? They tell us this pile. Again, we tell them which pile do you want to be on this pile. They tell this pile. We put this pile on this pile. Now we tell them we need our prediction. Again, tell us, do you want to be this card you want to be on which pile? We assume they tell us this pile. And we should put this pile on this pile and this pile on this pile. Now we'll split the deck like this. We should remove that like that pile that our prediction is not in it. So our prediction is not in this pile, so we will put it away. Now again, we will split the deck. So we don't need this pile, just put it away. Again, we don't need these 4 cards. Now we just have 4 cards, you can see it too. Now we should split it again till we have 2 cards. We don't need these 2 cards. Now we have 2 cards. One we tell them what was your card for the first time. They tell us it was 5 of hearts. We tell them that we just made a prediction from the first of the video, in the first of the video and performance. We show our prediction, 5 of hearts. How? So this was the performance. We hope that you like it. Let's see the tutorial. Well guys, you saw the performance. We hope that you like it and you enjoy it. So here's the tutorial. Before we start anything, we just need to like 2 cards from different decks. One of them should be like the deck that you are doing the magic with, and the other one should be from another deck. If you don't have like, it should be like this. They should be like each other. They should be same. If you don't have another deck, it's so easy. You can just grab a paper and yeah, cut the paper like the shape of the card, like this.
If they are not like each other very much, it's okay. Like mine, they are not same size. So yeah, it's okay. So after this, I don't want to speak a lot because I think my speaking is not very good, and because it's a self-working car magic trick, you can just learn it by looking at it. Please be careful, and yeah. So this is the setup. You should make this car face down till the end of your performance, and because this is a tutorial, so I will put it right like this. So we just do some fake shuffles. Of course, we can do some choristry too. Okay. So we tell them to say stop. In this part, we should force them to choose this card that we want. We should make them. Let me show you how this force work. We should tell them to say stop. We assume that they say stop right here. Okay. Let me go one more time. Okay. In this part, you should do something like this. It should be from opposite hand. If you are doing it with your right hand, you're passing card with your right hand. It should be like this. I think you got it. So this is the spectators card that they chosen, and this is the card that we make them to choose it. They think that this is their card, but of course this was their card. They shouldn't know this. You should be quick. Yeah. So yeah. We tell them that this is your card. The spectator, if the spectator want, you can see it too, and if they don't want it, it's okay if you don't see it. So after this part, you can put the card on each other if in different ways. Even you can shuffle it. Okay. So now in this part, we tell them that we should choose 15 cards, and we should make two piles. Each pile should have 15 cards. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cards. Okay. Put one of them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay. So we tell them that we don't need the rest of the cards. But alright. So let me show you. I won't speak a lot in it. So you just need to choose this. You should cut them from half. Let me show you again. This was like this and this was like this. You should cut them from half. Like this. Then we tell the spectator this was your card. Do you want to be where? So they say right here. Then we tell them that please choose another pile to be on it. So yeah. We assume they say right here. This one. Put it on the top of it. So again, tell them the other card. What do you want to be? We assume they say right here. And the other one should be on the top of it. As I said, this card that we chose from the beginning, it should be face down till the end of the performance. So the card, our prediction is in this pile, and the spectator card is in this pile. So we should we should dispel that there is this like card on it, should be like this. Okay. And after this, everything is self-working. Should do this. Be careful to start the to put the card from right. So yeah, okay. Then we tell them we want to remove that pile that it like this card, it's not in it. So you remove this one. Again, we do this. We should start it from right. So again, we choose this one. We'll remove this one. Sorry. For all of the thing, it should be, we should start it from right. Yeah. All right. There is just 4 cards. Again, we do this. We should do this until there is just one. There's just 2 cards left. 2 cards left. So right here, just 2 cards. We tell the spectator what was your card for the first time. They say 5 of hearts. Then we tell them that we did a prediction at the first of the our performance. Predict 5 of hearts. So yeah, that was the trick. That was the tutorial. You hope that you like it and you enjoy it. So yeah, it is self-working. You can get great reactions with it. Yeah, don't wait, and yeah, do this trick with your friends, with your family, and at anywhere that you want it. You can fool literally anyone with this trick, and you don't want any sleight of hands, any of those that I said. So yeah, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next videos.